Football's role has to be to support, has to be to unite, has to be to give hope in the region, in Gaza, in Palestine. We will, of course, help to rebuild all the football facilities. We will help to bring football back together with the Palestinian Football Association in every corner of the country. We will bring balls, we'll build pitches, we'll bring instructors, we'll help organize competitions. We will launch a fund to help rebuild football infrastructure in Palestine, and everyone who wants shall contribute. We ourselves will contribute with mini pitches, with the FIFA arenas, and we want the whole world to contribute, because football brings hope to children, and it's very, very important. And I realized it here today in my conversations with all the leaders in the world. They all want to contribute, they all see the importance of football to unite, to bring people together.